I'm lately into this unboxing. I just feel like I should show you these boots that I got. They're really, really elegant and classy. I just kind of want to share with you. So stay with me. You can't believe the color of the box. Look at this gorgeous pink box. Oh my god. I'm gonna keep this box. I got these boots because fall is coming. I have all kinds of black boots, but I don't have this type of black boots. So you will see what I mean. This is the brand. Isn't this amazing? This is so beautiful. This is gonna look so good for fall with like all these kind of perfect outfits. Perfect size. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. Aren't they perfect? Oh my god, I love them so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.